Hello and welcome. In today's video, we are going to go through the installation and setup process of Flowlu Action Automation for workflows. Let's get started. Once in your account, scroll down on the sidebar and click on App Marketplace. Next, use the search bar to search for the application you'd like to install and click on it. On this interface, click Install and allow an install. Next, refresh your page. When the page is fully loaded, scroll down on the sidebar and click on the custom page of the application you just installed. On this interface, we have a series of important tabs. The first tab is the documentation tab, which contains information about the application. Next is the tutorials tab, which contains resources that will help you get the necessary credentials when trying to set up the application. Up next is the setup tab, and this is where we set up our application. Start by copying your redirect URL. Next, click on Start Setup. Head to your Flowlu account online. In your account, click on your profile and click on Portal Settings. Next, click on Oath and click Add. Give it a name, paste your website URL, a description of your choice, and paste your redirect URL. Next, click Save. Copy the client ID, head back to your account and paste it where required. Next, copy the client secret, head back to your account and paste it where required. And finally, copy your domain, head back to your account and paste it where required. Then you click Complete Setup. And as you can see, the application has been set up successfully. Up next is the Support tab, where you can create tickets and book calls with our support team each time you have any issues. And finally is the Changelog tab, which keeps you updated on any changes that have been made in the application. And you can also receive notifications each time there is a change in an application by toggling this on, filling in your email address, and clicking on subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.